Hi, I'm Chloe, and welcome back to Mosaic in Minutes. Today we're making something fun, fancy, and oddly satisfying, a shape divider. You know, that wobbly shape separating sections like this one up here. So let's build it together. First up, make sure you have a shape ready as an SVG. You can download one on this website, link in the description. Now let's bring it into Mosaic. Open the Add panel and drop in an icon element. Then head into the Advanced options and upload the SVG we just downloaded. There it is. Let's set it to Current Color, so it automatically inherits the text color. Next, let's clean things up in the Style panel. Down here, we'll set the width to 100%, so it spans the full section. And let's also change the height to Auto. Now we'll use Absolute Positioning, as we want this floating, not pushing content around. Don't forget to adjust the position value too. It's getting a little too friendly with the heading. Let's fix that with Z-index. Okay, now it's behind everything. No panic. Just set a Z-index on the section so the content stays on top. And boom, shape divider resurrected. The color's a bit intense though, so let's tone it down. Since we're using current color, the color comes from the color field right here. Hover over the colors and you'll see the shape color changes too. Let's lock in accent 1. Yeah, much better. Let's preview it. Looks great. And if I resize the screen, you'll see it's fully responsive too. All right, one last upgrade, animation. For that, first we need to change the transform origin on the y-axis to 0%. So later, when we scale our shape, it scales from the base, not from the center. Now let's add an interaction. This animation should run on page load. For the action, choose Scale, then Scale Y, and set the initial value to 70% and the to value to 100%. Let's play it and see what happens. Not bad, but it's a little speedy. So I'll slow it down by extending the duration of this tween. Much better. Now let's make it reverse. Duplicate the tween and change the to value back to 70. Finally, turn on Looping in the Interaction tab so it can play again if it ends. And here it is in the preview. Okay, now you try. Go ahead and make the bottom shape too. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Mosaic tips, and I'll see you in the next one.